Hello and welcome to Morningstar. I'm Emma Wall and I'm joined today by Carlos Hardenberg, manager of the Templeton Emerging Markets Investment Trust, to give his 3 stock picks. Hello, Carlos.
Hello, Emma.
So what's the first stock you'd like to highlight today?
So the first stock that I would like to talk about is Brilliance China. It's a brilliant company. With that name, it can only be brilliant. It's the joint venture partner of BMW in China. They've got a unique business model in the sense that they've got a product which is a luxury branded product. It's a product that any Chinese that you talk to would like to own. Who wouldn't want to drive a BMW? It's a company which is run by professional people that have tremendous experience in operating a company like this in a difficult environment. They've got high profitability, they're paying out decent dividends, and they are designing products which are custom-made for the Chinese market now. So that is really, really attractive. And now with their move into electric vehicles, where they're also leading, that equips them well with a good positioning for the future demand in China.
Is that balance between having a recognisable brand but also sort of on-the-ground experience essential? Because we have seen some brands go into the Asian market and actually have to retreat because they have stuck to their Western approach when doing business.
Yeah, so I think that is a very good point, because many companies, they come with their own concepts and ideas and are unwilling to kind of adapt to the local trends and habits and demand and tastes of consumers. So they've been incredible in adjusting their products, which you would assume are the same everywhere in the world, not the case in China. So even the 3 Series or the 5 Series that we know here in London from the crowded streets, they look totally different in China. The product is custom made for the Chinese market. In fact, it's actually longer. The Chinese like very long cars. But they are also able to deal very swiftly and smartly with the regulators. They're also very fast in adjusting to the new environmental standards, which are now a new norm in China. And China is actually leading the way in their demands. So that is actually a testament to the good management of that company.
And what's the second stock?
So the second stock is kind of a household name, which is known, quite well known. It's Samsung Electronics. But the company is representing what we like most in emerging markets. So they moved up the value chain in terms of what they produce. And they created an incredible competitive advantage for themselves, not just in the smartphones that we all know. That is just one part of the business. But Samsung is also a global leader in memory. They are very innovative in new memory solutions and new technology. So anything you can think of, from your fridge at home to your car to your, of course, the phone and all the electronic devices that we deal with, need more and more memory going forward. And Samsung, with the technology leadership, is in a very good position to benefit from that future demand. The other part, where they once again showed incredible management skill, is the development of their surface technology, OLED. It's called OLED, which is the new surface technology used in televisions and smartphones. And again, they are global market leader, and all the new products that will be coming out will use that technology. And there's kind of almost no second one offering this at that scale.
And who's the third and final stock?
So the final stock is kind of more a smaller one. We also have moved the portfolio more and more into the mid and small cap area, because we see a lot of value there. That is also an area where the passive funds are not fishing around so much. This would be a Korean stock, Hanon Systems, which is, again, hugely innovative, and they are a global market leader in providing cooling solutions for electric vehicles, like Tesla and others.
And so, are they very reliant on those big customers then? I mean, what would it mean for that stock if it lost Tesla as a buyer?
Yeah, so Tesla is a very small client. In fact, they're just beginning to start that relationship, but they're working with Toyota, they're working with all the big, with BMW, with all the big automobile firms. And I think it's all about developing strong relationships and proving to your clients that you have the capacity and the product quality, even at a big scale. And the Koreans are incredible in providing that.
Carlos, thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is Emma Wall for Morningstar. Thank you for watching.